Isang maalam at mapag-urugang araw po sa ating lahat. Binabati ko kayo ng isang maligayang pagdiriwang ng Adoption and Alternative Child Care Week.
Okay, we are the adoptive parents, no? We support this program para kami mismo, isip adoptive parents, no, supporting and much grateful and thankful sa kaninga program. Kay kami mismo naka-experience ani nga cause, no? Gitabangan sa rako sa nako para mahimong buo nga pamilya.
Today, each step we took in this takbo para sa kabataan is more than just a fun run. It is a stride toward hope, a stride toward family, a stride toward ensuring that every child, especially those without families of their own, findings a loving, permanent, and nurturing home.
As we celebrate the Alternative Child Care Week with the theme Love Makes a Family, I would like to share our adoption journey. A journey that taught us that family is not defined by blood alone, but by love and commitment. These remarkable milestones would not have been possible without the support of our family, friends, CSWDO Tagum, Mamosna, Rako 11, NAC, and everyone who walked with this journey with us. For that, we are forever grateful.
Dako gyud kay akong pagpasalamat karong mga panahon na naabot gyud nga nakuha na gyud nako ang legal nga adoption paper gikan sa Rako 11. O sa makausap pa daghan kayong salamat sa Rako 11.
Happy kay ko kay ako pa ay naka-first sa 3km category and salamat ko kay Lord kitagaan ko niya saktong kusog ug mo lang.
Nakuha na ko ang champion sa kategory nga 5 kilometer. Then happy kay ko and kani po dahil na fun run kaya nag-promote siya o kaning legal adoption sa mga bata or sa family nga nang inihanglan o kanang ga-adopt.
Today's event was more than a run. It was a powerful demonstration of our shared commitment to ensuring that every child grows up in a loving, nurturing, and supportive family environment. With every step we took together, we strengthen awareness about adoption and alternative child care and reaffirm our collective responsibility to protect and promote the welfare of our children.